My name is Gloria Sdao. I am French-Canadian and I'm from Canada. And I love photography. I'm a high school biology teacher, and I decided that I would delve into photography a little bit when I was several years ago, when my husband had a restaurant and he asked me to do the food photography, and that's how it all started. So I started taking food photography pictures, and then from there I've been on a few trips, and this is my very first Better Moments trip. So absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. Well, it has been different types of photography here, and it's a variety of different techniques that I've been using, and I've been kind of coached and taught by my leaders, Christian and Tom. They've guided me to be able to use these techniques, and it's been unbelievably it's been an unbelievable experience. The techniques that I use at night versus the highlighting, for example, is very, very different than the techniques that I would use for bright light. So it's been a surreal experience for me being here with Christian, with Better Moments. 3 words. Surreal, educational, and oh man, I don't know. I mean, those 2 encapsulate how I feel about this whole experience.